Hey guys, welcome back to Live Tasty. I'm Olivia and today I'm going to be showing you how to make, well actually not make, but upgrading some store-bought biscuits.
Have you ever noticed that canned biscuits are just not as good as homemade biscuits?
Today we are going to fix that problem. This hack that I've been using was actually inspired by the viral TikTok cinnamon rolls, which I do have a video for that as well, so go ahead and check that one out. By the way, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and the like button. I post tons of fun cooking videos that may be recipes from scratch or it may just be a hack, but either way, it's bomb. And for these biscuits, you're only gonna need 2 ingredients, just a can of biscuits and some butter. I personally prefer the Pillsbury Grand's biscuits, especially the southern ones. Those are really good for this hack. When you try this hack, I guarantee you,
your biscuits are going to be so soft on the inside, just like a real biscuit. It's going to be crispy and buttery on the bottom, just like a real biscuit. And it's going to be buttery on top, just like a real biscuit.
So I won't hold you any longer. If you guys are ready to get into these biscuits, let's get to it. Just start with some butter and pop open a can of biscuits. If your baking pan isn't non-stick, go ahead and spray it with some non-stick cooking spray, and when you place the biscuits in the pan, make sure that they're touching so they can rise together and stay moist. Next, we just melt our butter in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Once melted, we're gonna pour it all over those biscuits. It seems like pouring the butter on top of the biscuits is going to help the dough absorb the butter while it cooks. This is gonna give us that crispy, buttery bottom that we all love. Go ahead and cover your pan tightly with some aluminum foil and then just pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. After the 25 minutes is up, go ahead and remove the foil and they will look super pale, but not to worry. Go ahead and place them back into the oven and place your oven on broil. We're just gonna broil the top of the biscuits for 2 more minutes. I cannot wait for you guys to see the bottoms of these biscuits. They are so crispy and golden brown and buttery. But anywho, just go ahead and brush on some more melted butter just to add the extra homemade flair. And guys, this hack is a must try. Look how golden brown and beautiful these biscuits are and soft on the inside. If you try this, please let me know in the comments. Like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.